Okay, so I'm gonna be putting my phone in the fridge. And yes, those are grapes. They're good. I've just been snacking on them. It's like 3 a.m. But I'm going to be putting y'all in the fridge. Okay, so y'all are in, and I just want to see what would happen, so here we go. Okay. The reason for that, I just wanted to see what it would look like if you were in the fridge. And if you like this weird little short video, it's not really short, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notifications for more, and go watch my laser tag part 8. I think it's going to be the last series. I don't know, so